it's winzzz and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because the teaser finally dropped and we find out that their title track is Idol. I've seen like debates sparking on Twitter. Oh, maybe it's I'm Fine, or maybe it's Idol, or maybe it's like one of the trivias. My vote went to Idol, so I'm glad that I'm right for once and I'm so excited. Let me just quickly go because yo, I am not kidding you, I am so excited. I'm so pumped. We're gonna start. I'm really scared. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Okay, Tiger. Is that Jungkook? Jin, Namjoon, Jimin, Yoongi. What's up, Yoongi? Wait. Oh, wait. Sorry, the last part, I was like, when Jungkook coughed, I was like, yo, even his cough sounded really sexy. And I was like, I had to like pause for a moment there. They were wearing traditional costumes and the tune is like a traditional Korean music. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Dang. Whatever. I'm gonna restart this. Dang, I'm gonna restart it again. I just wanna hear Jungkook's cough again. Let's be real. It has that very oriental vibe. Oh yeah. Do you all hear Jimin? Yoongi, no. Yoongi smiles. I still cannot get over Jungkook's cough and how much it affects me. Like, how can someone's cough affect me this much? Number one, and how can someone look so good coughing? Number two, and how can someone smile so handsomely and charmingly after coughing? Number three. By the way, I forgot to mention earlier, did y'all hear Jimin's high note? Like, I literally have goosebumps on my skin. Like right now, oh my god. Should I repeat this again? Should I start again? Yeah, whatever, let's just replay. I cannot get over this, okay? I cannot get over this. I'm having goosebumps. Max volume. The tiger. Did you hear that? Every time, y'all. I'm just saying, if Jungkook's cough isn't included in the beat or in the rhythm or whatever in the song, I'm gonna be so mad. Y'all better include Jungkook's cough on it, okay? Like, I will need to talk to Big Hit if they don't include Jungkook's cough. Like, y'all, his cough is music itself. I pretend to be okay at times, but I'm very not okay. We have some serious things to talk about here. I think you can pretty much tell how I think about this teaser and the song and the visuals. I'm so excited for the comeback. I don't know why, I feel like this is the comeback I'm most excited for, which is weird because it's only a repackaged album and with like 7 new songs, but still, I've been so hyped for the new album. Like,
August 24th is coming in how many days? Today is 22nd. It's coming in 2 days. It's coming in 2 days. less than 2 days technically. It's less than 48 hours. Because it's already, oh my god.
We have 30 something hours before the comeback. And am I ready? Will I ever be ready? No. None of us will be ready. I need to calm down. I need to freaking calm down.
I'm a strong, independent, grown woman, and I can handle my feelings, and I can handle everything life gives to me, even if it's BTS or whoever it is.
Who am I kidding? Legit, who am I kidding? At a 41-second teaser, I'm like freaking out like this. Who are we kidding? Come on, it's BTS. We can't ever like handle ourselves properly. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, believe in a little spark of hope. Believe in Bangtan. Comeback is in less than 30 something hours. So I'm really hyped about it. Till next time, bye!